I think I started in 2004. I finished my studies. So yeah, I've been an actor for 22 years. I don't think it ever makes sense. I don't think it ever makes sense. I think we're all just winging it. And I think sometimes it goes up and sometimes it goes down. And I think that the trick in life is to figure out those downs and those ups and try to balance it out.
It's easier to go through the highs, but when it's down, when things are not, or when it's flat, how do you deal with that time?
I think connection with either yourself, connection with a higher power, connection with your friends. I think connection is so important. Interesting enough, I don't think all people are the same. I think some people need more support when they go through the highs than when they go through a lows. I think most of us we gather very quickly around people that are in need, but I think sometimes people who's having major success needs major support as well. Because things can go very nasty when you're up there, and that's when you need the support as well.
What is the number one important value that you try to teach students who go through ELCA?
I think the biggest thing is spirit, and you can't always teach it. But I would say definitely hard work. Talent is not everything. Talent is not alone that can get you there. I think hard work is so important. And also just what the speakers said this morning is like you have to be pleasant to work with. Nobody wants to work with an asshole. Nobody, or a bully, nobody wants to. I find there's lots of bullies in the industry as well, and we need to get past them. But talent won't get you past that. Your mouth will. So I think spirit as well. I think spirit is so important. Like we really try to birth joy at ELCA. Our students are usually very happy, and I think happy people are easier to work with than grumpy and angry people the whole time. So we really try and focus to make our students happy as well.
The last edition of the Film Lab Africa was focused on short films, but this time I kept hearing episodes focused on TV. Why is that change? What can you tell me about that?
We've done short films now, so now we're focusing on television production, which is huge. And I think there's a gap in the market for television productions in especially in Nigeria. People are so obsessed with making movies, but I think there's really, if people need to start making good television series in Nigeria, it's going to work really well. We're busy with pre-production at the moment, pre-production of our 7 pilot episodes. We've chosen the 7 top writers and the titles, and we've matched the producers with them. So now we in pre-production, and we lined up 7 really top directors in Nigeria to direct the 7 pilot episodes. So we're starting to film in like 3 weeks.